Welcome to Shom on the Daf Shir sponsor Lo Nishpas Am Yakashom Le'Abbas Yitzchok. We're holding at Shavuos Daf Memtes. The last perek, the last daf of Maseches Shavuos deals with the Arba Shomrim and the Shavuos the Arba Shomrim have. And near they're based on a shlo that we mentioned Maseches Bo Metzia. This is a special message that has to do with Maseches Shavuos, and the reason Maseches Shavuos ends with this inyan. The shlo in Maseches Psochim Matzah Shira Oislam and Hey goes on to explain that the Arba Shomrim, 4 guards that we have, is the connected different levels of avodah that people have when they do avodas Hashem. Shomrim, he says, is one who does everything shalom out like a pras. He's a big tzaddik. He's doing things for free, meaning HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave him the tafkid to do the mitzvahs. He's shomer, he's guarding what he needs to do, and he's not expecting anything back. That's a shomer chinam. And that's the reason that shomer chinam, he's always patur, because HaKadosh Baruch Hu saves the tzaddik. Except b'pshia, shomer chinam also has some pshia, because ein tzaddik asher aseh tov v'lo yechto. So shomer chinam is not expecting a word, but sometimes there's pshia, and that he has to pay for. Shomer sachar, he is expecting already a reward. I'm an applicable pras. So he's chayav in Gneva and Avedo. And he says, what's the Gneva and Avedo? Gneva is when he's trying to pretend that he's a bigger tzaddik than what he is. And Aveda is when he wastes his time. Ashoyel is someone called ha'anor shaloi. He's enjoying the world. He's enjoying the life. And he's chayav even be'ointzim. And maybe according to the shlo, yesh levar, that's what it means, the Mesa Machas Melacha, he's potter, meaning when the shoyel is mamish together, when he's doing avodah, so then sometimes he has connection to Hashem. That's the only time really is connected. The last one, the soicher, meaning the one who is a renter, what does it mean? So he explains it's someone who gives tzedakah not sheyichya b'ni. As we see in our daf, there's a machlokes. He's a shomer chinam or shomer socher. He's a tzaddik gomor or not such a tzaddik gomor. He says that, and really elu be'el diva lekim chayim, because it depends. When he's doing it lishma and he just wants an extra thing, I'm not sheikh b'ni, then he's a shomer chinam. But if the whole intention is only to get the reward, so he's more of a shomer socher. So we learn from the shlo that we're talking here about avodas Hashem. The Arba Shomrim is connected the way to be worshipping HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the different levels of avodas Hashem. And this is the Gea to Maseches Shavuos. As we spoke about in the beginning of the Masechta, we spoke about that the Maseches Shavuos is learned as a build-up to Chag Shavuos the Chas Sofer brings. Because the idea is that really the avodas Hashem of Am Yisrael, of every individual Am Yisrael, is because of a shvuah that each one has. There's a shvuah that a person has when he's born, Te'et Tzadik Ve'al Te'et Rosho. There's a shvuah that we got in Matan Torah that we should keep the mitzvahs. The shvuah is what really puts us in the context of us being Oivdei Hashem. We are mishubah through the shvuah to be Oivdei Hashem. And as a Rebbe is a dover that is brought down the Beis Yisrael, or the Ger Rebbe, he brings a similar concept like the Shlo. And he says that Shomer Chinam always does shvuah, as we see in our Mishnah, which means he always remembers the shvuah that Kadosh Baruch Hu is mashbiah him. He's always under the oath, under that obligation. And we can continue that kavala and say that according to the shlo, Shomer Sachar, sometimes he remembers the shvuah, but not always. And a shoyel is very rare that he remembers that shvuah. Maseches Shavuos embeds in it all the hilchos Shavuos. And the ultimate, biggest shvuah that each individual has is the shvuah Te'et Tzadik Ve'al Te'et Rosho, the shvuah to be Mekayim the Torah, the shvuah that gives us the obligation to be Oivdei Hashem. And we conclude the Masechta with the Arba Shomrim, which is the different levels of avodas Hashem, the different levels of connection to this ultimate shvuah. And with this, we conclude Maseches Shavuos and the Shur Machshava Shiurim on every daf of the Masechta B'Siyata Dishmayo. We should zoich it together to continue throughout the entire Shas. Anyone who wants to join Shom Machshava, email us to Hotziko, please email shomachshava@gmail.com.